forest killer, a terrifying haunt for 5 centuries. What would happen if it encountered humans? Welcome everyone to the mysterious den. Dear friends, the Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, home to over 16,000 species of animals large and small, including species that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. According to scientists, on average every 3 days a new animal species is discovered in this vast South American forest. Therefore, the Amazon is considered one of the most mysterious areas in the natural world, filled with frightening creatures. In this video, join enigmatic echoes for a tour around this mystical forest to explore the most terrifying creatures ever discovered by humans in prehistoric times. Giant Amazon centipede. Centipedes are normally creatures that scare many people, but when mentioning the giant centipede in the Amazon, many would shudder at their body length. The giant Amazon centipede is the largest representative of the Scolopendra genus, specifically in the centipede class in general, typically reaching 26 centimeters and can exceed 30 centimeters. Mainly inhabiting the northern and western regions of South America, the giant Amazon centipede has 21 to 23 pairs of legs that help them move swiftly. The giant centipede's body has a bronze, red color and their leg hairs are yellow. Centipede species living in caves and underground usually lack pigment, and centipede species in tropical regions can possess vibrant colors. The giant centipede has sharp fangs that can inject extremely potent venom when biting any prey. Although its venom rarely causes death, it's enough to cause swelling, vomiting, fatigue and dizziness in the bitten victim. The giant centipede is a carnivorous arthropod. Their main diet consists of geckos, frogs, mice and even bats. Assassin bugs or ambush bugs are a family of predatory insects. They are parasitic blood-sucking bugs. Their bites are very painful, and when they inject saliva into small insects it causes tissue to melt. Then they suck all the liquid into their abdomen. Assassin bugs are ambush predators. They can suck all the body fluids from prey and carry the corpses on their backs. They are insects specialized in piercing prey, drying out the victim's body and then carrying the corpse on their back. These bugs are often discovered carrying huge loads of dried, withered corpses. This is also an effective camouflage method, as well as protective armor when needed. Each species has particularly hard, sharp mouthparts, for which the assassin bug pierces through the opponent's exoskeleton. Like ants, termites, bees, then they inject a stream of toxin, causing paralysis within seconds, and then a liquefaction process begins from inside before sucking all the fluid. Notably, assassin bugs extremely utilize opportunities to clean termite corpses, thus planting termite carcasses on themselves to lure other termites. Poison dart frogs is the common name for frog species in the Dendrobatidae family, native to Central and South America. Unlike most frogs, these species are active during the day and often possess brightly colored bodies. Although most species in the wild Dendrobatidae family are at least somewhat toxic, toxicity levels vary significantly from species to species. These amphibians are commonly called poison dart frogs because indigenous peoples used the toxic secretions of these frogs to poison the tips of their blow darts. In fact, among 179 species, only 3 species have been documented as being used for this poison dart hunting purpose. The species used for poisoning dart tips don't belong to the Dendrobatidae genus due to characteristics like eye-catching colors and complex patterns. Poison dart frogs have quite striking and eye-catching appearances. However, don't be fooled by that attractive appearance, because just a small contact with their skin can quickly stop a human heart. Their skin secretes botulism toxin, a poison that paralyzes the nervous system, causes muscle paralysis and leads to death. The venom of one golden poison dart frog can kill nearly 20 healthy men, and even 2 African bull elephants. Anaconda or water boa or South American boa is a genus of giant snakes living in the Amazon River basin of South America. South American boas include 4 species that prefer living underwater or hiding in swamps, rivers and dense forests in the South American region. They include a green species, yellow species, dark-spotted anaconda, and Bolivian giant anaconda. Among the 4 types of giant anacondas, the green species has the largest size, with adults reaching up to 9 meters long and weighing about 250 kilograms. Truly terrifying numbers when discussing the size of the giant anaconda species. The oversized dimensions of the anaconda are only slightly inferior to its Asian reticulated python cousin among reptile species. The anaconda species has the greatest length among snake family creatures, with adults capable of reaching nearly 10 meters long. According to scientific research, this is considered the largest snake species in the world. Most of the time it submerges itself underwater and hunts by tightly coiling around, constricting prey, causing victims to die from suffocation or internal bleeding. And one recommendation is that you'd better not approach them. Piranha. Piranha, also known as the red-bellied piranha or tigerfish, is a large freshwater fish species belonging to the Caracidae family. An adult piranha measures from 16 to 26 centimeters and originates from southwestern Brazil. This is a dangerous, aggressive fish species with sharp, serrated teeth. With its terrifying teeth and ferocity, the piranha has become famous worldwide. Piranha possesses triangular teeth as sharp as razor blades. With the arrangement of their teeth, large teeth in the lower jaw, small teeth in the upper jaw, when the piranha's mouth closes, the teeth from both jaws interlock perfectly like a trap. Amazingly, piranha can strip flesh from bones in just a few seconds. Although known to humans as deadly carnivores during times of food scarcity, piranha can attack live prey and, more frighteningly, even eat their own kind. There have been many cases of piranha attacking humans, making people extremely fearful of this fish and wanting to avoid them as much as possible. Black caiman. The black caiman is a crocodilian species that, along with the American alligator, is one of the 2 largest surviving species in the Alligatoridae family. This is a carnivorous reptile living in slow-moving rivers, lakes, and seasonal flooded savannas of the Amazon River basin. They typically reach 5 meters, sometimes up to 6 meters when mature, and are the second largest reptile in the neotropics. After the Orinoco crocodile, adults have quite dark coloration, while juveniles are lighter with pale yellow-white patches on the body that remain somewhat visible into adulthood. The large, heavy head provides an advantage when hunting large prey. Despite its size, the black caiman may not be considered the most serious threat to humans. However, it can cause serious injury and requires caution. Additionally, the black caiman is also one of the most dangerous species to humans. According to 2010 data, biologist Days Nishimura lost a leg while fighting a black caiman after the animal had been hiding under her boat for 8 months. Black caimans are heavier than the American alligator. They are predators that animals living in Amazonian waters cannot take lightly. Paraponera clavata is an ant species commonly known as the bullet ant. The reason for this name is because of its powerful and highly effective venom. Bullet ants inhabit humid tropical forests from Nicaragua through eastern Honduras, south to Paraguay. Hormiga 24. In fact, when a bullet ant stings, it injects the victim with a hallucinogenic venom, causing pain in a hallucinatory state. After the pain subsides, the venom penetrates muscles causing necrosis. Mild cases may lose limbs, severe cases can be fatal. The bite of a bullet ant comes with a type of venom. This venom affects the nervous system, so just a few stings can cause paralysis. However, bullet ant venom is not lethal poison. The Satere Maui people of Brazil have used bullet ants in rituals marking the maturity of boys in the tribe. Specifically, the boys must put their hands into gloves made of leaves, filled with bullet ants for 10 minutes. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is a genus of spiders in the family Tinae, comprising about 8 species, most of which are very aggressive, with venom of high toxicity. Most species live in some areas of Central and South America, while the European species is introduced. In the 2012 Guinness World Records, the Brazilian wandering spider was ranked as the world's most venomous spider. Some species of venom from this spider have little ability to attack humans. The record book states that although Brazilian wandering spiders are the most feared venomous spiders, many deaths occur from black widow and brown recluse spider bites, with rare cases of wandering spiders biting anyone. All Brazilian wandering spider species are brown in color, with gray hairs and black spots on the abdomen. These spiders are quite large, with legs about 15 centimeters long and bodies about 5 centimeters long. These spiders are true nocturnal hunters, so they spend most of their time hiding in crevices or under logs and coming out at night to hunt. They eat insects, small reptiles, amphibians like frogs, and even other smaller spiders. Brazilian wandering spiders are known for their aggressive nature, and their bites create alarming danger. However, this behavior of theirs is considered only a defensive measure. Each Amazon forest has small insects that become the most dangerous killers in the Amazon jungle. With numbers reaching hundreds of thousands, the Amazon rainforest contains viruses that cause diseases such as malaria and dengue fever. According to statistics, within 5 minutes, the number of deaths from mosquito bites is higher than the number of victims killed by shark attacks in a year. Each year, the Amazon rainforest also causes 200 million hospital admissions. This is truly a dangerous creature because they are so small and humans find it difficult to avoid mosquito bites when entering the forest. In a study by the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, researchers indicated that female mosquitoes carrying malaria parasites are significantly more attracted to human breath and body odor compared to uninfected mosquitoes. Indeed, the Amazon rainforest always holds countless mysteries. Typical examples are the aforementioned animals, and besides, in this vast forest there are numerous other dangers that can lurk for humans who wish to come here to explore. If you know of other dangerous animals, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section below. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Enigmatic Echoes channel so you don't. For now, goodbye and see you again. Please subscribe to the Gi and Mi Go channel so you don't miss exciting videos.